Hello parents and welcome to the Foundations of Art classroom for our 21-22 open house. My name is Mrs. Watts and I'll be your student's art teacher. I have been teaching since 2003 and with Agora since 2016. I have certification in both art education K through 12 as well as business technology K through 12. Additionally, I am certified in portrait photography from the Art Institute. Students are provided a class syllabus. This has all the information students need to know for the parameters of the course. They can find this in their Intro to Course folder. Contact me through the course homepage or by phone or through email. This is an art class, so students will draw and color. Students should obtain materials independently. Suggested supplies are paint of any kind, brushes, clay or Play-Doh, markers, crayons, colored pencil, meaning any type of coloring tool, and then of course paper and pencil. I will demonstrate ways to make art in class as well as provide videos and documents to help you. If students have a question about the course, they have availability of a raise your hand discussion board. For this discussion board, they would just go to the discussion board in the course content, post their question, and then students and teacher can answer those questions for the student asking the question. Most projects in the course will be submitted via discussion boards. Students will post their work, reply to two other students, check the replies to their work, and reply to those students. Students are reminded that they should not post replies such as good work or I love it. They'll be required to be specific in their comments. And this is a great way for students to learn about writing in a different setting. So what will students learn in the art course? We'll start off with our course materials and welcome to course folder. We'll move on to a discussion of getting to know you. Then we'll move on to our units. Unit 1 will focus on the elements of art and principles of design. Unit 2 will focus on art of ancient times. Unit 3 will focus on art of Asia and American Indians. Unit 4 will focus on art of Africa. Unit 5 will focus on the Renaissance. And Unit 6 we will do a wrap-up semester review and a final reading check. Students will work through discussions, art projects they will do by hand, and reading checks. Discussions are an opportunity for students to share artwork and critique peer work as well as receive feedback on their own work. Art projects students will do by hand. This is a studio arts class, so students will get to step away from the computer and use the supplies that they have obtained or have on hand. We'll also have reading check. These are short question sets that follow the chunk reading sections. They may be retaken before the due date expires at midnight for the highest score. To start the course, the students should make sure to get art supplies, make sure their scanner is working or that they have some other way to turn in an image of their work, and begin with the Welcome to Class folder. Thank you, and please follow the time periods above. Any other questions not related to this course, you may return to the main room for assistance from our special education, school counselor, family coach, nursing, and technology departments.